Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to develop good study habits in high school. Establishing a routine is key to academic success. Start by setting up a consistent study schedule that fits your daily life. Next, identify a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Finally, tackle big projects by breaking them into smaller, more achievable steps. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more productive. To truly grasp new information, active learning is essential. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize key concepts in your own words after each section. Regularly test yourself using flashcards or practice questions to identify areas needing more attention. A powerful technique is to explain what you've learned to someone else. This solidifies your understanding and highlights any gaps. Make learning an interactive process.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. On another note, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough, they even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Effective note-taking is a cornerstone of good study habits. During class, focus on capturing key information concisely, perhaps using a structured method like Cornell Notes. Crucially, review your notes within 24 hours of taking them. This dramatically boosts your memory retention. Also, integrate information from your textbooks and lectures into a single, organized resource. This creates a comprehensive study guide. Managing your workload effectively involves smart prioritization. Use a planner to organize tasks, focusing on what's most important and due soonest. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions. This prevents burnout and keeps your mind fresh. Equally vital are self-care practices. Ensure you get enough sleep and maintain a healthy diet. These habits directly impact your ability to focus and learn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.